Hey, I'll be back in the shop. The red truck is back. Transmission's still kicking it. It's goes through all the gears perfectly, nice and smooth. It's a nice little positive second and third shift with what I did to it. So my buddy Paige decided he wanted it. And these were the wheels that came off the gold truck. And he come across some 18-inch Z71 wheels. We're gonna go ahead and clean them up and pressure wash them, throw some acid on them, and do them how we do them. Check it out. So we got these, picked them up for $100. Not a bad deal at all. The back's just brake dusty and muddy and dirty, and I got the fix for that. And the front's nice and silver and dirty, but they're not chipped up and not banged up. There's not a whole lot of rash on them. Definitely worth $100 a piece, much less $100 for all of them. So we can go ahead and clean these up, and then once all the dirt and grime's off, we're gonna hit them with some acid and bring them back to brand new. It's gonna etch it back to raw aluminum. I love this stuff. Watch this. So we got the power. We're gonna go ahead and hit up the insides and degrease. This stuff works really, really well for road film, but it just doesn't get all the black brake dust off of it. Let's soak these up. Come back and hit them with the pressure washer. This just gets off the heavy stuff. To bring it back to aluminum, we're gonna hit it with some hydrofluoric acid or aluminum brightener. This looks like those old Chevy wheels from the 90s on the backside.
That's what I want.
I'll have you know, the inside of my wheels looks like 90s Chevy van wheels. I'm gonna tell everybody, man, I like them wheels. Yeah, the insides looks like Chevy van wheels. I'm like, okay. Pressure washer time. We got everything scrubbed up with the power. I'm not sponsored, so I ain't gonna say it right, but this is gonna get it clean, but not aluminum. You'll see what I'm talking about. Pressure wash. Now waiting for round 2. All right, shut the pressure washer off. Round 2, hydrofluoric acid. Okay. Now here it is, aluminum brightener. I mix it 50-50 with water. Man, the sun comes right through there. I mix it 50-50 with water. Watch the stuff eat this aluminum. All right, so the purple power, or power like I call it, it leaves all the brake dust. The rim gets fairly clean. This one here had a lot of brake dust. Scrubbed them all the same. Used the same product on everything. This one left a little film on the inside. And this one's about the same way. So we're gonna go ahead and make them new again with some aluminum brightener. Watch this. Do not breathe this. It will choke you out. When it turns white on the rim, it means it's etching the aluminum and it's working. It will rust metal instantly. Good Lord. All right. Heavy coat. So it doesn't take long. Once you see it foam up white, it's eating the aluminum, etching it down to raw. Watch how these come out. All right, so I got some just mud and stuff from the pressure washer blowing the ground up back up on the wheels, but this is the one that was really bad. This is as good as it's gonna get. But man, I'll take this any day over what it was. Because from right here, the thing only looks a year old instead of about 15 years old. So we're gonna hit the fronts up. The power cleaned them pretty good, but we're gonna get the rest of it with the etching acid. Blow them off one last time. Throw some tires on them and see how they set that red GMC off. All right, we got the fronts just hosed off, and man, anything's a squeaky clean. But see, like down inside of that valve stem, that acid will really get up in there and clean it nice, get it nice and aluminum again. Get it up, P. This stuff will eat your hands if it gets on it, or etch your fingers. Don't inhale it, and make sure the bottle you're using, you don't want to use it no more because it's going to eat up the O-ring inside of the sprayer. I'm surprised this one's lasted this long. I got plenty of bottles, just not so many sprayer heads. I wish you could buy those by themselves. You probably can. I just ain't found that yet. Then your hand gets tired. If you're using it a pump sprayer, you totally destroy your pump sprayer. So I'd rather just throw this away than the $20 pump sprayer every time. Make sure you put your spray up inside your valve stem. Yeah, see the vapors is getting you.
Got the vapors.
And Ice Cube warned us about them vapors. They don't even need to sit long. You go ahead and crank them up and pressure wash it off right now. I got you, bro. Right here. Put this thing on. Got that old school. Watch this. Here we go. I'll take them. Kind of like newish. All right, there they go. They are all cleaned up, ready for some tires. I don't know if a road hazard, but his work does. So he's going to take them over there and get them done. So we're over 400 subscribers, around 420-ish. Man, let's keep it going. Appreciate it. Hit the like and subscribe button.
Like and subscribe.
Catch y'all next week.